Hi, my name's Charlotte and I'm a brand ambassador for docrafts. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a stick-it hot glue gun. So I've got my glue gun here and I've plugged it in. It takes 3 to 4 minutes to warm up and you can just see if it's ready by just gently touching this bit here. And just to warn you, never touch the metal bit at the end because you will burn yourself. So what I've done is I've loaded up my gun and you get the glue sticks and you just pop one through. And when you first load it, you just have to squeeze the trigger until it goes all the way through. If you want to reload it afterwards, you can just keep pushing the glue stick through and it will force the one before it to finish. So now that my hot glue gun is ready, I've used some bare basic 3D letters, and I've used the ones that spell love, and I've painted them with my artiste paint in white. And so now that they're dry, I'm going to finish it off with some pom-poms. So with my glue gun, just going to pop that bit under and I'm just going to gently squeeze onto the top. And you can see how when I do that, it just moves it back and forth. So when I've done that, I'm going to take some of the pom-poms straight away, just pop one in, hold it in place for a few seconds as the glue dries. And then I'm just going to keep going further on the L. And you can see how it just easily comes out. You don't want to do too much because it will quickly dry. So add some extra pom-poms in. You can use the bigger ones, and we have the little ones that can just add in, holding them in place, just like that. So and you just carry on all through the letter. So it's a nice, easy craft. And just use all the different colours. There's some lovely purple pom-poms there as well. And now you can see that the chamber on my stick-it glue gun is running empty. So I just take the next one and pop it through. And this bit here will hold it in place. So we keep going and it keeps heating it up. And don't worry about any strands that are coming off it. They pull off really easily afterwards for a nice, clean and simple finish. Add in some yellow, some of the little peach ones as well. And we'll just do it on the end here. Put that one on. Once you've finished your project, just make sure that you put the kickstand down because it'll still be hot for a few minutes. And you want to immediately unplug it and leave it for 3 to 4 minutes to cool down or until you can feel it's cool on its side. Any string that's left over on your mat, you can just, after a few minutes, rub it all together. It comes off really easily and you can just put it in your bin. So now, always make sure to keep it on a mat whilst it's cooling and keep out of reach of small children. Now you can see, with this one that we've got here, we've made a lovely little project that can be nice home decor, or you can put it on a piece of card for art. Thank you so much for watching.